Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through how to pre-order the Untitled John Wick game on PS5, and I'll clarify what you can actually do right now. Since the developers recently released the official trailer announcement, many players are looking for a pre-order option. However, at the moment, there is no official pre-order available yet. Instead, you can add the game to your wish list so you're notified when pre-orders go live. To do that, open your browser and visit the official PlayStation website. Sign in with your PlayStation Network account. Now, search for Untitled John Wick Game and open its official PS5 game page. On that page, you'll see an option to add the game to your wish list. Click the Wish List button and confirm. Once added, PlayStation will notify you by email or through your console when pre-orders become available. You can also wishlist the game directly from your PS5 by opening the PlayStation Store, searching for the title, and selecting Add to Wishlist. For now, that's the only official step you can take until Sony enables the pre-order option. Keep your notifications on so you don't miss the launch announcement. Subscribe the channel for more videos.